Kohanye, we drive in the dark time.
we are going to Munich, Monachium. We start at 2 a.m. We're gonna arrive around, I don't know, 10 a.m. or something. Got different car, got some special project as emergency. And why not? Actually, never been in Munich, so it's actually cool. Why not? It's about 850 kilometers one way. And it's what time is it? 3:45. It's about 3:45 at morning, and it's gonna be a sunrise actually very soon, around 1 hour. So, but the road is still night, and it was raining, so it's actually pretty difficult. But it's very enjoyable in general.
So I'm gonna have experience sunrise in Germany. Nice. Wow. Night driving, early morning driving, right? Wow. Look at this road, how peaceful it is. Nice. So green, big, and no speed limit. Kok hanya you focus driving lah.
No speed limit. No speed limit is cool. Even more cool if you drive not your car. That is cool. Nice road to Munich actually. I don't know how to say Monachium in Polish, Munich in English, and in German is Munich or something like that.
Munchen.
Munchen? Or Munchen actually. Munich is in English.
Yeah, nice. Very nice.
Sometimes you can see. Very nice actually.
I'm afraid to watch the speed limit though. Oh, look at the morning fog, Kohanye.
Yeah, nice. Actually nice. I have no idea where we are, but still 464 kilometers to the destination in Munchen.
Wow, look at this one. So big and long river. Oh, look at this beautiful countryside road. Wow, look at this road. Very nice.
Turn right. Sharp left.
Wow, this one look like a village.
It is village. In Bavaria.
1 kilometer, turn right.
Right, Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry.
It's almost arrived in Munich. Munich, right?
Yeah,
Kohanye?
but the highway something happened, and we have to go through the countryside of the Bavaria villages. So it's actually also a little bit stressful, but it's also at the same time interesting. Either way, in half hour we're gonna arrive to the destination in Munchen.
Munchen, yeah. And then we actually have a target that we have to be there around
10:30.
10:30. But the traffic situation is
Not the best.
Not the best. So yeah, I'll show you how it looks. Look at this one. So yeah, this road, I think
Turn
that's
right onto Munknerstrasse.
this one is just like village, right? See,
Yeah.
even the big truck going to this road.
Bavarian village.
Tak.
thinking now, look at the tree now. It's so cool, huh?
Beautiful.
As thanks to that, as the highway was something happened there, we got opportunity accidentally again to explore countryside of the Bavarian village, like literally 30 kilometers outside of the München, which normally we will never come here, right?
Yeah, but look at this traffic situation. Wow. Look at this small road. What nice. Green.
look like a rice field, no?
Yes, look like a rice field.
That is wheat.
Nice.
In 2.1 kilometers, turn left onto Music.
Żeście po prostu ogarnęli tą trasę w takim czasie.
No czekaj, bo jeszcze nie wiem jak wjechać tam na te targi, żebym się nie zakręcił gdzieś, ale damy radę.
Adres masz, nie? To jak tutaj podjedziesz po...
Right, so this
Yeah,
one, the
Actually,
road.
the highways was flooded, and they were trying to fix it for many days. Seems like it's actually almost done now. But
Yay!
back to the
Finally! Finally, we back to the big main road. So it was flooded, and the traffic jam. Oh my God, so crazy. Damian just quiet because it reminds him the traffic jam in Bali. Like, you know, the car very, you know, stuck in the middle of the road, just like stuck and cannot move. So yeah, now finally we already back on the track. Munchen! Welcome to Munchen. We finally arrived in the World Trade Center building.
the small World Trade Center, this is like an exhibition actually.
Yeah, yes. We bring so many
Some stuff.
important stuff here in the car. I feel like I bring the mission. So here is the lobby. Seems busy. I'm waiting outside. So this is how it looks, the reception. You see, so busy, and all of the business people are here having a meeting. So basically this is how it looks inside the exhibition. So many things, product, cosmetic, so many things. Right, so many business people are here doing exhibition.
So that was crazy day. Actually, okay, the story is I got a quick business opportunity to deliver something and help with the organization of one of the thing in the World
Like
Trade.
one big company in
One big
Poland.
Polish company actually collaborating with different one big company and collaborating with my small company, but one day gonna be big, trust me. In the Munich, in the World Trade Center. So actually not bad, I guess. Yeah, what do you think? You proud of your husband, Saya?
I'm always proud of you, Kohanya.
But you're so tired.
9-10 hours sleepless drive. But the thing is, what I see about business people is that you take it or not now. Quick,
Yeah,
boom,
that's the
chick,
thing.
and then done.
It was the opportunity come at 1 a.m. and actually I'm 27 or 28 hours without sleep. So now hotel and tomorrow back to
One thing, they prepare our hotel.
oh yeah, we got the hotel also. That's good. Okay, let's go.
So this is how it looks. MOC kind of meeting, conference building, and so many things basically. So here today is just like a big cosmetic company in Europe, something like that. So we will go to the hotel. Right, so we just drive out of the exhibition building and look at this green. I really like green. Nice park. Wow. Oh, also have a Vespa drive here.
Yeah, the city at the front.
Look at this, so big park.
What is it, the river or something?
Yeah. Nice. Oh, nice river. Wow. big river.
Big one.
Very nice city. And the local art, so cute.
München art.
Munchen art, Dobse. Wow, look at this underpass. So cool and flashy.
Dark. Actually, the tunnels like this one in Germany, they are cool. They are
Very
in the
nice.
city, very similar to Berlin, and also for some reason to Malaysia. They also have a tunnels there.
No, Singapore.
Yeah, Malaysia, Singapore. Yeah.
Nice.
Not nice.
Right, so we just arrived in the hotel, but we already hungry, and we just check in, just left the bag there. Later on, we will show you the room, but first of all, let's eat.
Yeah, let's find some place. Actually, at the front of the Hanover World Trade Center. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. So we walk from there, and now we are looking for the place to eat. Actually, now we are in Riem Arkaden. So there are so many complex of the mall, of the restaurant. So place to eat. Let's go Kohanye. Hot. Smacznego go Kohanye. So we decided to go to one Vietnamese restaurant. Nice, and 4 o'clock. It has been long time I didn't eat pho. After we had pho, we decided to have dessert. Ice cream.
Nice ice cream, actually really good gelato from the Italian guy. I saw Italian people selling pizza, Vietnamese people selling the pho, a lot of people from all around the world. This ice cream I already eat half to €4. Very good. I think it's actually cheaper than Berlin a little bit here.
We decided to go shopping, and what I found is Indomie like this. Haha. We are in TUI office. Let's see, is there Bali here?
Antarctica is not so...
Antarctic? Or they send you to the cold country? Oh, we just check in the hotel. This one, look at this. And H2 hotel. It is a big raining actually previously, so we didn't want to go to the city, and because this one is just like a business trip, and tomorrow morning we have to go back to Poznan. So now it's time to have a dinner. What we have to have? It's pizza time. Hey, how was your sleep?
Yeah, we sleep 4 hours. I didn't sleep for 31 hours actually straight, you know. So feels a little bit weird. But I need pizza, definitely. Pizza and cappuccino to keep some balance. The one thing we were thinking to go to the mall again back, because there is nearby, and have also, you know, some sliced pizza and some ice cream from the Italian uncle and auntie. But seems like mall is closed at 8:30 here. I don't know why, but this one. And because it's strict business trip, we have just no time and energy and opportunity to go to the old city in Munich. But looks a little bit like Poznan. Actually, very similar vibe like I saw on the Google map. But next time we're gonna have opportunity to come. At least we were passing by. Well, at least we are in Munich, anyways.
And the thing here is that everything is closed at 7 or 10. I mean like 7 or 8 p.m.
I think 8:30. Yeah.
Yes. So it's like this one, the only one restaurant that open, I think, until 9,
10.
10. So
If we are lucky.
so Damian's favorite for dinner, pizza o'clock.
Pizza. Well, it looks nice actually, babe. Nice. Even McDonald's is closing here area. I don't know why.
Yeah, look at the city outside.
Very nice.
Smacznego, kochanie. Oh, look at your pizza, so huge. And I have my margarita pizza. Kochanie?
Yeah, I would like to say thank you for watching, following our crazy journey at night. Winnie was so happy actually when I'm rewatching the video last night. 2 a.m. We are going to Munich, 850 kilometers, just the road trip. Now we're gonna have a pizza, rest, little bit sleep, and tomorrow we're going back but tomorrow at daytime perhaps. So we're gonna explore a little bit from the road because we're going from Bavaria through the whole Germany back to the Poland, Poznań. Or perhaps we can go through the Prague, actually. I don't know. No, but quicker is through the Germany, you know. Okay, see you tomorrow.